Welcome back, guys. So in last lecture, we saw the skeleton of this C# program, like how we will do it, namespace, class, method, and then inside the method we have printed hello world. Okay. So the question is, I got few comments in last lecture that in this .NET 6 framework, uh, you can see only the body part and not the whole skeleton which I have created. So this is what the new feature you can say came up in C Sharp, where you have to just type the body and the other skeleton will be there by default, and you do not have to create it like I did here. So just to show you that thing, suppose uh, I am going to create a new uh, project for you. Okay, so suppose I am coming here and I am opening one new folder, new project. So I will again take console app C sharp here, and in that suppose I write something like case 2. Okay, and this is the project name. Next, and see, previously I selected .NET 6. That is the reason it it has showed that only body, and after that .NET 5 version have everything. I will show you how. Click on create. So when you created it, it's showing only body. So if you will click on this link, you can see what it said. See, start starting with .NET 6, the project template for new C# console app generates the following code in the program file. This is what we saw. The new output uses research data feature that simplify the code you need to write for a program. For .NET 5 and earlier version, the console app template generates the following code. See, this is what which I showed to you. Okay, so to start with, we need to understand the particular skeleton. We can go in this way also, but to understand every attributes of the C# program, you need to use the whole skeleton. Now we were here till now, and when suppose I will run this particular program, what will happen? Okay, what it's saying, program does not contain a static main method suitable for an entry point. So if you will see here, it do not have any entry point to use. That is the reason it cannot be run. Okay, so what is entry point? So see, the thing is, in C Sharp or .NET framework, you cannot run just a single program or single class. You have to run the entire project. So as you saw, uh, you cannot run this particular program because you do not have any entry point. So in a project, for example, in this class there is no entry point where the execution can be started. We need to create an entry point. So how to do that? Okay, let's do that. So remove this method, right? Static void main. Okay, see, this is static void main. So there is an entry point which is a main. So execution will start from this particular main entry point. So wherever you will see static void main, that will be your execution entry point. So once you run this entire project, it will build, compile your project, and then it will find the main entry point in your entire project, and it will print the hello world after the execution of the main block. Okay, so let's run it and see what will happen. So see, you can see it is running hello world. So if you will see here, you can see the printing of hello world is coming on the console. Why? Because you are using console here, and this is one predefined class. Okay, we have already discussed in last lecture that how that using system and console is working. Now if you want to use that, your result will come in this debug output, not on the console. What you will do, just remove this console, use debug. Now the error is coming similar to the last lecture. See the potential fixes. You can see using system diagnostic, use this. Okay, now see here the namespace is coming, so you have used it. Now try to run it. Hello world. See here, no output is coming because you have removed that console and used debug. Now cancel it. Try to cancel it. Now you will see your result is coming here in the debug option. So this is what we have used debug. So this is all about the lecture of how to print hello world and your first program in the C#. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.